Hello guys, today I'm reviewing the new LA's Totally Awesome Laundry Detergent Powder, the original. It was only $1.79. It's 1 in 1 pound. And of course it does for hot water, the whites, the lights, the prints, the colors. Warm, bright colors, permanent press. Cold water, colors that bleed or fade. And so this is my first time using this. I still have my Auauna washing machine. They are now called by different names. One of them is Kuppet. And so if you see this machine, get it. Y'all know what the inside and everything looks like. Okay. So I'm going to get started. So this laundry detergent has an industrial type smell to it. It doesn't smell all that great, but I want to see how it's going to clean. So I'm going to show you how much I'm going to put in there. I'm using this little spoon here. I'm going to put a scoop in there. If I need more, I will add more, but I don't want to put too much soap in there to have it too soapy. I'm going to put another scoop in there. If you want to have this machine for more than 2 people, you will have to wash some things by hand, like things that's easy to clean, soak them overnight or soak them a little bit, and then you can spin them out on the spin dry side. So it's time for me to rinse. These are done rinsing, so I'm going to spin them out. And I got 3 loads after this, which I'm going to do off camera, but I'm going to show you the end result of using this new laundry detergent. Hello everybody, so this is my clothes. They came out real clean. So this detergent is awesome. It, like the name says, awesome. It really cleans. The smell I'm not that pleased with, but it's just a plain smell. and it does clean your clothes, so I will continue to buy this brand. It can be hard to find. I found it by accident. And so it's made by the same company as that LA's Totally Awesome liquid laundry detergent that you found at Dollar Tree. I love the combination of having a detergent that's powder, and then also can buy the regular liquid kind. And their products seem to be pretty good. Again, it was $1.79. And you saw that I used my Auauna washing machine. There will be a link in the description box. I always have a lot of people asking me about that machine and how long it lasts. Does it really clean your clothes? Again, I want to say that if you have more than 2 people in the family, you're going to have to buy a bigger washing machine, or you're going to have to supplement your washing some other way. And sometimes I will wash clothes in like a bucket or a container, and I try not to let my stuff pile up, but that's the way you can do it. And then you can also use the machine the regular way. But I find if I do it that way, I can wash a lot more clothes quicker. So the machine is plastic, but it's long lasting, and like I said, I paid $68 during that time, and it has lasted, I guess, 3 years, or almost 3 years. So that's a bargain. If it breaks, I'll just buy another one. Okay, all the ones that you see listed under different brand names, they are the same machine. They don't even call it the Auauna no more. So this is the end of my review, and I love you all. We'll be seeing you again soon. Bye.